Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export passwords from Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage everything from your appearance preferences to your privacy controls. It's the central hub for customizing how Chrome works for you. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen where you'll find a vertical navigation menu. In this menu, locate and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section manages all your saved login credentials, addresses, and payment methods that Chrome stores to make your browsing more convenient. Next, you'll see several options related to passwords and autofill features. Click on Google Password Manager. This is Chrome's built-in password management system that securely stores all your login credentials for different websites and allows you to access them across your devices when you're signed in. Now, within the Password Manager interface, look again at the left side of the screen. You'll notice another settings option specific to the Password Manager. Click on this settings button to access the password management tools and options. Scroll through the settings page until you find the option labeled Export Passwords. This feature allows you to download all your saved passwords into a single file, which can be useful for backing up your credentials or transferring them to another password manager. You'll see this option clearly listed among other password-related settings. Right beside the Export Passwords option, you'll notice a Download File button. Click on this button to initiate the export process. Chrome will now prepare to save all your passwords into a file format that you can store or use elsewhere. A file browser window will now open on your screen. This is your computer's standard file selection dialog, allowing you to choose where you want to save your exported passwords file. Take a moment to navigate to a secure location on your computer where you want to store this file, keeping in mind that this file will contain sensitive information. Once you've found the right location, you'll need to input a file name in the designated field at the bottom of the file browser window. Choose a name that's easy to remember and identifies what the file contains, something like Chrome Passwords Backup or Exported Passwords. After entering your desired file name, click the Save button to complete the export process. Chrome will now generate the file containing all your saved passwords and save it to the location you specified. Wait just a moment while this completes, and that's it. You've successfully exported all your passwords from Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.